Well, this weekend is all about being thankful, but unfortunately can also be about excess. I know some of us eat too much. For many of us, we drink too much, and too much drinking can present dangerous consequences. Attorney Jay Davis joined me yesterday to give us a little bit of a reminder about Georgia's DUI laws and how you can stay safe and keep others safe on the roads. Okay, Jay, so I just want to preface this interview by saying best rule of thumb is to not drink and drive, right?
That's the best rule of thumb.
That's the best rule of thumb. Now, but just for a refresher for our viewer, what's the legal limit in the state of Georgia?
Well, legal limit is a misnomer. There is an illegal limit, and that's .08 and higher. If you're lower than that, does not mean you're legal. You can be at .06. If you're at .02 and you're under 21, that's the illegal limit as well.
Okay.
So, but anybody at .06 over 21, if they're driving in an erratic behavior, could still get a DUI.
Now, after the holidays, do you see, or during the holidays, I guess I should say, do you see an influx of people come in, or is this?
It's a lot of times the holidays bring on new clients, so to speak. There's a lot of roadblocks going on at New Year's and different times throughout the Christmas season. A lot more people at a lot of parties the first part of December. A lot of people are out drinking a little bit more than they might otherwise and being out of their home when they're doing it.
So drinking and driving is a little bit more common during the holidays.
It becomes more common during that time.
Okay. What's the best advice that you give to people who are faced with a DUI charge?
They're faced with a charge,
Yeah.
Seek an attorney, look at representation. The cost of a DUI, astronomical. You got the price of an attorney, which is often pretty expensive itself. You got the court cost, your fines, your increased insurance. If you can win a charge against DUI, sometimes it's worth the expense to go ahead and get that off your record, so you're not dealing with that. And
do you know of any services, local services, that people can use to avoid making people unsafe on the roads, avoid drinking and driving in general?
Oftentimes, the city of Macon, I believe, has a shuttle around New Year's to try to make sure people don't have to be out there on the road. Of course, you got designated drivers. Sometimes that's a fallacy there. You got a designated driver trying not to drink too much, just a couple of beers. Sometimes they go over the limit as well. So look for shuttles, things offered through the school, things offered through the city, or call a friend.
All right. Well, hope everyone is very safe this holiday season.
Hopefully.